Okay, so it's a beautiful day. It's the beginning of May, and spring is here. We're gonna get some nice weather, so we've come to our favorite garden center at Fiesta Gardens by Fiesta Farms, a nice local place. So we're gonna start planning out our balcony garden because it's our first season with the renovated, made-over balcony. We want to optimize our chillage and our green space to get some nice pollinating plants and flowers for the birds and the bees and some harvestable crops. Let's go shopping.
$100.
It's so nice. Sun, bird shade, bee friendly. Oh, the purple or the white?
These are white. I don't know, I think the purple is a nice pop of color. Do you want a bleeding heart?
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, I'm down. Here's some Scotch bonnets.
Scotch bonnets, yeah.
Okay.
I love Scotch bonnets.
Scotch bonnies.
One hot pepper?
And one sweet pepper.
Yeah.
Cubanelle, sweet pepper. See, there's tomato plants here. I don't know if my tomato seeds are gonna take, but we can always get a tomato plant.
What kind of tomatoes do you want?
Well, I planted beefsteak seeds.
Okay.
So,
Blueberries?
oh yeah, let's get these for sure.
Some good roots.
Broccolini,
They take up a lot of space, don't they?
full sun, container.
Okay. Broccoli natives?
Broccolini. Great, well, we gotta look at planter boxes. 36 inches, these are perfect. 119. We need 3 of them, that's 360 bucks. So we're gonna have to DIY that.
3 inches.
Yeah.
8 inches. 7.5 inches.
What's this one? 2 feet. Nice. Bleeding heart.
Bleeding heart. We got broccolini, sweet 100s tomatoes, white kohlrabi, some organic herbs
As a gift.
as a gift. These are Scotch bonnet.
Ooh.
We got some green leaf lettuce. We got some Cubanelle sweet pepper, some black kale.
Are they all gonna fit in that box?
I don't think so. And then last but not least, we got Boston lettuce and red Swiss chard
Oh, for the lizard.
for the lizard. And we got some
Hose.
a hose, foldable hose, and a nozzle.
And the classic mic. Nice.
Success.
Okay, so we made it back from Fiesta Farms with lots of good stuff. Before we get organizing the garden space, we got to do a bit of a cleanup. The winter wasn't super kind. This is a perfect opportunity to use our new kitchen sink hose with the adapter and get her cleaned up. Are you ready? Nope. Hold on, we don't have the washers in there. Well, the hose didn't work. We definitely have the wrong size adapter. We'll have to fix that. But for now, we can just clean normally. Give her a sweep, pick up the garbage, mop, and then we're ready to garden. Now the true test of our paint job, the spit shine. Well, they came out pretty good. We lost a little bit of paint in some spots, maybe scrubbing too hard. Overall, very good.
Okay, same.
It's all coming together. Frank. Frank.
Oh, she's going straight for it. Yeah, because she's going to be lounging.
Yep. Frank. Oh. Zip man. Now we can start gardening. We're gonna go?
Yeah.
Go get a shoot. Okay, should we make a coffee and look at the gardening plan?
Yes.
Yes. Well, we lost the plan for the garden, so we're gonna have to wing it. I assume we'll just grab all our pots and planters and all of our seeds and plants and try and make a configuration that makes sense. We got lots of soil, lots of pots and planters. Man, it feels good to be back out here. It is so nice. Everyone's just lounging. What a beautiful day. Much bigger than I can do.
Big. No, that's just the lettuce will take up that whole thing.
We can grab the beans and peas. So if you saw the greenhouse kit experiment, you'll notice that we started some of these plants. We're still waiting to see what happens with the rest of the ones in here, but these ones should be good to go. Yeah, the pot plant died though, I think. Yeah, because I thought we were going to do flowers across there. And then in this corner, we're gonna have tomatoes and beans and stuff.
Yeah.
And like we can put a couple planters here.
Yeah.
I mean, to be honest, we can use these milk crates to stack them because it's a little bit higher.
Yeah. Should we? Here, grab this.
Yeah. Okay, so that's a plan?
Yeah. So that corner gets a lot of light, like all day long.
Yeah.
And you want the barbecue this way, or you want to push it all the way up?
I think the barbecue's fine over there.
Yeah, and then we put plants here.
And put plants in here.
Okay. Should we mulch since we're gonna put stuff around there?
Yeah, we can
Or do you want to? Let's do it.
Yeah, it's not a huge thing.
Okay.
Okay, so let's get planted. out of soil. So we're going to the hardware store and hopefully we can get the right adapter for the hose.
I thought we're keeping that adapter. We're getting a new hose.
Oh, you want to get a new hose? Ah. We have two options.
Well, no, we have one option, and it's to get the new hose, because we only have the two adapters, and the other adapter doesn't fit our sink. We're not getting a whole new sink. We're just gonna get a new hose.
Make some good points. Trip complete. We got a new hose. We're gonna try the old one first. We ended up with two adapters that we're gonna put together that should work. Hopefully the other hose will work. If not, this one will. Daniela got some stakes so we can name stuff. More potting soil for the veggies. A couple of trellises of varying sizes. And show us those.
Oh.
Nice little hangers for the inside for our peppers. It's been a long day. We're getting there. The moment of truth part 2. I have a good feeling about this. Fits. Well, it turns out that this is a soaker hose and it's full of holes. Okay, the journey to get this hose to work has been a nightmare. Let's hope it works with this hose.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Yeah, it works. Yeah.
Come over here,
Oh, success.
Turn it on so you can see what it's like.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, we got a little bit of a leak. It is on. Or we can always...
Using the mist setting.
Yeah, that's a good setting.
Shower setting's a little
Yeah.
much. We have a fucking garden hose.
Ah! Everything's coming together. It's gonna be a good summer. Look at that. We got a good start. We're not done yet. Tomorrow is the end of the germination period for my second set of greenhouse kits. So if anything's going on in either of those, they're gonna get planted tomorrow. So if you're interested in that, check out those videos and stay tuned for when that video comes out. And I mean, we got lots more stuff to do. Wait for these all to bloom and grow and flower and germinate. So if you're interested in seeing the rest of the summer and how this all worked out, hit subscribe and hit that notification bell because those videos will for sure be coming out. And I mean, look, it's a beautiful day and it's nice to have a good, nice spot to chill and relax and keep the mind clear. Thanks for watching. See you next time.